Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the sound effect on the Brawl Stars application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading.
Let's go!
New, click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings button. Here you can find the first option, the sound effects, and if you want to turn off, just click to the off button. And new is disabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.